In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily connect Google Drive in Canva. Connecting Google Drive to your Canva account is a great way to streamline your design workflow because it lets you bring in files you've already stored in the cloud without having to download and re-upload them. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start importing your Drive files directly into your Canva projects. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. From the main dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with options like Home, Templates, and others. In that menu, click on the section labeled Projects. This is where Canva organizes all of your designs, folders, and uploads in one place. And it's also where you'll find the option to connect external sources like Google Drive. Once you're inside the Projects area, look for a plus icon, usually near the top or upper left side of the page. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This button is used to add or bring new content into your projects, and it opens up a small menu of different actions you can take. From the options that appear, choose Import. Selecting Import tells Canva that you want to bring files in from an outside location rather than creating a brand new design from scratch. When you click Import, Canva will show you a list of available sources you can connect to. Among those sources, find and click on Google Drive. This is the integration that lets Canva access the files stored in your Drive account, such as images, PDFs, and other compatible documents that you might want to use in your designs. After you click on Google Drive, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on Connect to start linking your Canva account with your Google Drive. At this point, Canva will redirect you to a secure Google sign-in or permissions screen. Now, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to choose which Google account you want to use,